We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing and caring every single time. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.